Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Data Studio to build an SEO scorecard detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Data Studio account. Click on the Create button located at the top left corner. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the connector list, look for Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets to initiate the connection. Authorize Google Data Studio to access your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet that contains your SEO data. Once selected, click on Connect in the upper right corner. Review the data fields that appear, ensuring they match your SEO metrics. Make any necessary adjustments to the fields if needed. Click on Add to Report to incorporate the data source into your report. Now, navigate to the report editing interface. Use the toolbar to add a chart that best represents your SEO data. Consider using scorecards, tables, or graphs depending on your needs. Drag your desired chart type onto the canvas. In the Properties panel on the right, configure the data to display relevant SEO metrics. For instance, you might include impressions, clicks, or average position. Customize the appearance of your scorecard by choosing colors and fonts. Experiment with different layouts to enhance visual clarity. To further analyze the data, use filters to segment information as needed. Add date range controls to enable users to adjust the timeline for the data displayed. Once satisfied with your report setup, save your work. Now, consider sharing the report with your team or stakeholders. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose the sharing options that best suit your audience's needs. Review the report to ensure all data is accurately represented. Your SEO scorecard is now ready for use to track performance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.